We've got a quadratic curve here, and the equation is y equals x squared plus bx plus 1. And I'm going to look at this vertex here, the lowest point on the quadratic, and we're going to change the b value and have a look what happens to this vertex. So I'm going to the constant controller. I've got b as 2.1 at the moment, and I can change b. I can decrease b, and I can increase the b value. I'm going to trace this point, and then what I'd like you to think about is what is the equation that this point makes, or what's the path or the equation of the path that this point makes as I change the b value. So I'm going to change b, so increasing b, and then if I decrease b. So what's the shape of the curve that the vertex makes as I change b? So that's the path that it makes. Okay, I'm now going to change the b value to make b, so I'm going to change the plus 1 into a plus 2. So I'll just change that. So instead of having plus 1, I'm going to change that to plus 2. So it's slightly moved the curve upwards 1 unit. So I'm now going to look what happens again as I change the b value. So I'm just going to take away that trace. I need to put in a point there, and then if I trace that point again. So I'm now going to change the b value, and let's see what happens. So if I increase b, we can follow the path of that vertex, that lowest point on the red quadratic curve. All right. Now, if I change it to plus 3, what happens? I'm now going to change the b value again. And it forms another path. So my question is, what's the equation of the path that this vertex makes when we've got y equals x squared plus bx plus 1, when y equals x squared plus bx plus 2, and y equals x squared plus bx plus 3, and then finally, what's the general equation of the path when y equals x squared plus bx plus c?